Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. Thank you very much. This tutorial was suggested by a member who asked us, how do we get rid of a bad review? And we went through some of the ways to do that. You can go to the site and see if it violates policies, but once you can't get that removed because there's no violation of policies, what do we do about that? And I'll give you an example. So if we do a search for reviews company name, obviously you'd replace company name with your full company name. Right, and we see this example. Okay, so here we have it where the bad review, and this is just an example set up for you. We see that a bad review is here in the third spot. What we want to do, we're stuck, right? How do we get rid of that? Well, we get rid of that by adding more reviews to a different number of sites, right? The more sites that have reviews for your company name, the better chances you have of pushing this one down off the first page or even off the second page. And I'll give you a couple examples. Like, right, if you go to here at City Search, right, you can come down and write a review, right? Easy Local, you can come down, write a review, right? And on and on and on. We ought to know about Yelp. You've seen those before, and even Brown Book, right? You can write a review. Right, so what we'd want to do, we would want to inspire, ask, request those real users of our company or of our site to write some reviews on some different sites, right? That way, that back to the search results, we have a better chance of pushing this one down as new reviews are being written. All right, we can take a look at a couple of the numbers here. All right, like, so to give you an example, right, here's just a very simple list, right? Google My Business, Facebook, Amazon, if you're e-commerce, Better Business Bureau, all these are good ones. Now, I've gone ahead and put in this, and there's a whole nother concept, and that's about using the exact review sites that Google trusts, that Google sources. And that's a whole different video. Maybe we'll do that one here in the near future. It's probably going to be a member-only video for BTFOOM.com members, because that's very important into getting your numbers, getting your star numbers. I'll show you what that is just real quick. Okay, so here's two examples where a company itself has enough of a star rating. Here's another one. These two that have a star rating that Google will actually put that in the public eye. And you have to get those through Google Trusted or Google Sources, right? And that's a whole different animal. It's very powerful. That's probably going to be a member's video. All right, I hope this helps in getting the bad reviews on one site to be pushed down and to have those new sites come in by using this technique for advanced SEO. All right. Hope this helps. If you have any requests for tutorials or you'd like to join and become a BTFOOM member, come on over to BTFOOM.com, the contact page, and drop us a line. Thanks.